Some of the pain points in the aerospace, the homeland response, and the defense sectors are that overall there's just a limitation in the resources, meaning supply chains are just antiquated technologies and there's really not a way to sustain them. Here is a space where additive manufacturing could really shine in that we can support systems that are antiquated or where supply chains are short. We can actually come in with additive and help these sectors, help these industries. Just in the past 2 years, we've seen additive manufacturing make major strides in becoming a prime focus in the manufacturing landscape. This technology, like many others, will continue to grow in ways that seem impossible right now. But the key is embracing and asking what we want to deliver. We want to unlock potential. We want to unlock the capability to print at the speed of relevance.
Really, when you think about additive and scale, it's important to commit to the technology in a rate that creates critical mass. There are a lot of examples of disparate, disconnected, dislocated solutions which are highly unrelated from each other. But additive manufacturing should be available to all levels of defense, from depots down to warfighters and first responders. When talking to these women and men, we found that the closer to the front lines you can deploy the technology, the more speed and flexibility immediately become relevant to those forward operators. This means that we must push the technology further, which is exactly what Essentium is doing. Once you find a solution, being able to quickly shift from this prototyping architecture to full production, where you can repeatably deploy, again, those assets where they need to be. That's what's going to give a true advantage in challenging environments. This freedom of choice is something that is hard to find in additive right now, but you can make all the difference when you need to adapt to a rapidly changing environment. So when you think about adopting additive, it's actually about adopting not just a printer, not just a material, it's about adopting a capability. The capability is this sort of multifaceted solution space where the human capital, the printer, the materials, the data, they come together. It's not only about many printers that are rugged, that are able to be operated in an air-gapped environment or connected to data. It's about, again, a printer that's easy to use, a printer that's easy to train, and operators that feel like they can be successful with the technology. I think the risk here would be inaction. That's actually the biggest risk, because again, additive manufacturing is proven.
So part of the beauty of having an HSC platform at a base is that it can be used for multiple applications. So you can use it for orthotics, prosthetics. You can also use it for tooling, jigs, fixtures, and mold applications. But you can also use it for spare parts and in-use parts. So everything from automotive to aerospace to surplus parts that they might need at any given moment. So a lot of our customers are finding that they can use one machine tool for multiple applications at any given site. And so our platform, we've been able to work with customers to have at times a 1-month return on investment where they find an application that works for them where they can justify the cost immediately.